everyone, happy Monday and welcome back to another vlog. Today I am just getting my life back on track. I like to do that on Mondays, catch up on all my laundry, clean up the house from the weekend, grocery shop and stuff like that. So I'm about to actually go to Costco with my sister, get some stuff that I'm running out of. I haven't been to Costco in a week, and this is like the longest I've been without it, so I'm excited to go. And before we go, I'm gonna make a green juice real quick. I have so many like veggies sitting in my fridge, so gonna make a green juice for us. So I just got back from Costco, Kroger, and Better Health. I got some organic lemons from Costco, and then I got these hydro flasks. They were 2 for like 30 bucks, and I love having water bottles with me at all times, so I had to get that. Got these probiotics from Better Health, jojoba oil, these Siete Mexican wedding cookies. I hear these are so good. The ingredients are very, very clean. So we love that. So excited to try. I got these Bear cinnamon apples. This is literally nothing but apples and cinnamon ingredients. So excited to try those as well. Raspberries, tomatoes, avocado, cucumber, croutons for salad, a couple of my favorite little protein bars like a dessert for me, and then some Cholula. I also got some like frozen salmon from Costco, and like a cauliflower pizza that's in my freezer in my garage, so I'm too lazy to go get that. But I don't really know what I'm cooking this week, that's why I didn't get too many things, so just started off with a couple essentials. I just got in a couple tops from Revolve. I needed some new gym gear, so I ordered like a bunch of Nike stuff. I got these 2 shirts, just little crop top tees. They were cute. This is a light gray. Online it looked white, but it's light gray. This is black, and then I got this little tank that I thought was really cute for summer, and then I got this like little sports bra shirt type thing. It has no padding, and it looks like it's too tight to wear with a sports bra underneath, and I got a size small, so I think I'm gonna need to size up to a size medium. But I thought it was really cute. I liked that. And yeah, everything I got was in a size small. So a couple cute little things from Revolve. I'll have them linked down below. Also, I wanted to mention that I'm not sure if I ever say this, but like most of the things I mention are always linked down below. So always check that out if you are looking for something that I bought or I talked about. Or hey guys, just wanted to update you on what I have going on today. So this morning I went to the gym. I had a really great workout. Came home, or actually stopped at the dry cleaners to drop off some stuff, came home, made breakfast, cleaned up the house, did a little laundry, switched my sheets out, and just a bunch of stuff. And now I'm about to go to Target because I have to grab a couple things, which I feel like I'm always at Target in my damn vlogs, but it is what it is. Then I have to go to the post office, return some stuff that I got from Amazon, and then nail salon. Then I don't know what I'm doing from there. But just go today. A lot of errands, and I also put on a little self-tanner on my face, which I need tremendously because I'm so pale. So I'm waiting for that to develop. I'm still a little pale, but it'll start coming throughout the day. So yeah, about to go to the stores real quick before my nail appointment. So I just got back from the nail salon. I did another brown color, even though I just did one, but I'm like, you know what? Spring is gonna be here soon, so I might as well get the dark colors in while I still have a couple months. But I just came home and I'm starving, so I made like the quickest little lunch. I made a sandwich with some turkey, spinach, tomatoes, kewpie mayo, and cheese. Then I have some hummus and pita chips, and then a spicy little cucumber. Making one of the most delicious chicken enchilada soups that I found online. I made this recipe like a couple vlogs ago, or not made it, but showed it. This is just chicken boiling. It looks gross. I'm just gonna shred that. And then in here I have chicken broth with red pepper, celery, carrot, onion, garlic, and stuff like that. And I'm just letting all the veggies soften. And then I'm gonna puree it with this little guy right here. And just have this for the week for lunch. A delicious, healthy little lunch. I found this recipe online. Well, actually my sister did. And it is so delicious. So I will have that linked so you guys can try it out too, because you will be in love. All right guys, it looks like my veggies are all softened. So I'm about to use this pureer for the first time ever. I've never used. Last time I did this, I had to blend it in my Vitamix. Little by little, it was a shit show. And I made the biggest mess. So this is about to be a game changer if I know what I'm doing. Wait, why isn't it turning on? It's plugged in. Don't tell me it needs batteries. No, it shouldn't. It's plugged in. What am I saying? Time to call my sister, because this is hers. Hey, this pureer is not turning on.
What?
This pureer is not turning on.
Why?
I don't know. I'm pressing the on button.
Are you plugged it in?
Yeah.
I don't know why. You have to hold down now.
I am holding it. Alright guys, I guess what you do is hold on this lock button and this on-off button at the same time. So let's see what happens. Okay, whoa, way too high. This is cool! My soup is all done. Sorry for my super pasty face. I should not be on camera. I'm heading to my sister's house because she's making me dinner tonight. And if you don't know, she lives 2 doors down. So I'm going to walk over there, eat some delicious dinner. Hi! Hello! Hi! 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 You're taking my camera, crazy girl. You're talking my camera, crazy.
You're falling down the stairs.
No, I would never let such a thing happen to my angel girl. No. Never, my princess. It's a blanket. That's a blanket that you're looking at. What? This made me a little fajita. We got salsa verde. We love the Mexican food, sis, don't we?
We do. We do, in fact.
And we put a little healthy spin on it always, because Mexican is so easy to make healthy.
And delicious.
And delicious.
Flavorful.
And flavorful, yes.
And pretty fucking easy.
No swearing. I'm just kidding, I swear. Sometimes. Hey guys, I just got ready to go to one of my best friend's baby showers. I cannot believe she's having a baby. I'm so excited. But I'm about to head out. I don't have my lip color on yet because I like to put it on right when I'm about to get there because it gets gross. It's just the outfit I'm wearing. Top from Abercrombie. Dress pants are from Aritzia. Simple little outfit. And then I'm just doing a point toe heel. And then both of my necklaces are from Ardua NYC. And that is just the look. And I'm about to go pick up my stepmom and stepsister. And then we are going to head over there. You guys, these are the best things I've ever bought in my whole entire life. Beware, if you buy these, it's going to be impossible not to eat the whole entire bag in one sitting. They are so delicious. I've never had anything this healthy taste this good. So, if you're contemplating getting these, don't. Get them right away because you need these in your life. These will always be a staple from here on out in my pantry. Happy Euphoria Sunday, everyone! Not any Euphoria Sunday, but season finale Euphoria Sunday. Today, John and I had a super chill day. We went to church, hung out with family a little bit, and sat around. Literally just came to Costco, got paper towel and toilet paper, and a little bit of Starbucks. I I never really get Starbucks, so it's like a fun Sunday treat to get. But I think we are going to make a Gigi Hadid vodka pasta for the Euphoria Sunday episode. What do you think? Does that sound good?
Sounds delicious. It was so good last time we made it.
I know. I don't know if we should make that or something else, but that sounds good to me. So we're probably gonna head to the grocery store, pick up those things, and that's about it. Chipotle dates, like back in our old days. Nothing better. Guys, sorry for this crazy look, but I'm about to do an at-home facial, and I thought I would show you guys how I do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my cleanser that I use every day. I just use a Tatcha rice water cleanser, and I didn't wear any makeup today, so I'm not going to use my oil cleanser, but if I did wear makeup, I would go in first with my Tatcha cleansing oil. This is my favorite one ever. So first things first, wash your face. Okay, now that my face is all cleansed, I'm using the Sugar Face Polish by Fresh, and it's just like a nice exfoliator. I like to use this just to really smooth out my skin, and I'm no professional, guys. This is just something I like to do every so often to my face, just to clear it up. This is what it looks like, just a little sugar scrub. Just like to do this, clear up my skin, because I go to the gym daily, so things get clogged pretty quickly for me. So now, I'm just rubbing this all over my face, and you want to be careful with scrubs like this because they can tear your skin. So put it on very gently, because I don't know how to be gentle when doing anything on my face when it comes to hair or makeup, skincare, anything. Just got a heavy hand, I guess. But this makes your skin feel like a baby's butt after. Okay, here's my little facial steamer. I have this thing from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything that I use down below. But I'm just gonna plug this in. And I don't leave this Fresh stuff on very long. I just put it on my face, then start steaming. I'll show you. But I'm gonna fill this little guy up with water. And then put it in. And sorry for this angle, by the way. I know it's not ideal, but it's what we have to work with. So just letting this bad boy heat up, and then I'm just gonna sit in front of this until I feel like my skin is really wet and dewy, because it opens up my pores. So then I'm gonna rinse that out. I'm gonna start extracting all blackheads, little pimples that I get underneath the skin, like congestion. And then yeah, so once this, there we go, it's starting to smoke. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, once my skin is all dewy, so about a couple minutes, is when I'll let this. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes that I've been steaming my face. I'm just keeping it on, because, you know, why not? But I'm just going to rinse my face. Make sure you do warm water, because if you do cold water, you're going to close your pores back up. So just going to rinse off this scrub, and then we're going to start extractions. Okay, now everything's washed off and cleaned. Next are my extraction tools that I get off Amazon. Once again, I have my little handy dandy spatula. Looks like this. And then I have, and this one I just use like all over my nose. And then I have these guys that I like to use on specific little pimples that are clogged up. So I'll set here. My battery's dead on this guy right now. But I just go in on my nose and get out all the blackheads. And I don't know if I should be exposing myself like this because it's pretty nasty. But just keep doing this all over your nose, and it's so painful and I want to cry every single time. But just keep doing. Okay, I just like torture the shit out of my nose. I don't know if you can tell. It's all red. But now I'm taking this guy right here. And I'm gonna go in to all the little small bumps that I have on my face. Okay, so like this one right here. Tiny little guy. Like that out. And I always keep a clean rag and just wipe it off. And then just keep doing that all over my face, wherever I have those little undergrown pimples. Now that I'm done torturing my face to death, I'm going in with this Origins retexturizing mask with a rose clay. And I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever 108 straight brush just to apply it because it feels so soft and good on the skin. So, just gonna do that. My face cannot move, everything's all dried up. It's been about 20-25 minutes. I'm just going to rinse this off real quickly. Okay, now that my face is all cleaned off, I'm going in with this Eminence Organic Skincare Clear Skin Willow Bark Exfoliating Peel. This is a chemical exfoliator. I got it when I had gotten a facial one time. And then it just looks like this. And taking a cotton pad, I'm just gonna put it all over my face. And chemical exfoliators are something you should be using very often because it really gets under your skin. And I feel like anytime I have little zits coming in, it really minimizes them. Stuff like that. So I like to put this on every other day about. This one I use more like once a week, this Eminence one. And then I use the Summer Fridays. What's it called? Soft Reset. Every other day about. But this is so gentle. It feels really nice. So I'm just gonna let my face dry just for a second. Now I'm going in with this jojoba oil, if that's how you say it. And then just gonna put a couple drops into my fingertips. And put this all over my face. I've been slugging before slugging was a thing. You wake up in the morning with the softest skin in the world. And now you're supposed to go up on your neck, but I find it hard to distribute when you're doing that, but it's the right thing to do. And any leftover products, put on your hands, put on your chest, because the chest ages very quickly. And then you can never forget about the lips, because lips always need to be moisturized. Just using the Laneige lip mask. And there you have it, oiled, buttered up before bed, at home, a little facial. Let me know if you guys plan on trying this and how you like it, because my face is softer than a baby's butt right now.